What's up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to know if someone blocked you on Instagram. This works on Android and iPhone. You can easily see if someone blocked you on Instagram with these a few steps that I'm about to show you right now. What you want to do guys, you want to open your Instagram account of course, and then you want to go to search bar. Okay, at the very bottom you can see here search in the left. You want to click this search icon and click in the top search. Okay, what you want to do guys, you want to search for the username that you think has blocked you. Okay, I'm going to search for my friend. As you can see here, if this is my friend, I can see it in the search. If you can see the username or the name of the person that you think has blocked you in the search results, that means this person didn't block you 100%, like they didn't even block you. But if you don't remember the username or something and you have sent a message to this person, and you can just go to messages and click on their profile. Okay, on their profile picture like this. I'm also going to show you how you can see a lot of methods on how you can see if someone blocked you. So if someone blocked you, you can see now. I am going to show you how you can see that. So first let me show you how it works when it comes to messages. So what you want to do guys, to see if someone has blocked you, you can see the messages, you can see the profile picture of the person. If you click the profile picture, you won't see something like that. You will see this username is not available. That means this person blocked you 100%. But if you want to make sure that someone has blocked you, you can create another Instagram account and search for that person. Okay, search for that person. If you find the name, if you find it in the search results, if you find that person on another Instagram account but you don't find it on your own Instagram account, that person blocked you on Instagram. And you can easily see that by clicking on your Safari or Google Chrome. You can choose whatever you want. For example, I'm going to use Safari for this. If you want to know if someone blocked you, but if you don't see the username when you search like I showed you, if you don't see the username there, that means it has blocked you. But if you want to make sure 100% this person blocked you, just enter like search for Instagram. Okay, instagram.com/ the username of the person that you think has blocked you. Just enter it here. I'm going to enter it. And this is the username of this is the profile of my friend. So you can easily see that he didn't block me because I searched for him on my Instagram account and I can find his account, and I can also find it when I search for instagram.com/ his username, in case you don't want to create another Instagram account. So that's exactly guys how you can see if someone blocked you on Instagram. Like I said guys, if you search here, you don't see the username of the person that has blocked, that means he blocked you. But if you want to make sure, like I said, just enter instagram.com/ the username of the person on Google Chrome or whatever you have, or Safari, and if it pops up, if you see the username, that means this person blocked you. I hope this video has made